Hello everyone, and welcome to this demonstration of how CloudSense lets you perform campaign optimizations or in-flight changes to live campaigns. So in this scenario, we have a campaign that is in flight, impressions are being delivered, but for whatever reason, we need to make changes to the campaign details. It could be that the campaign is underperforming and we need to extend the dates, or the targeting criteria needs to be changed, or perhaps frequency capping needs to be set. The first thing we need to do is retract our sales order. This puts a pause on delivery and allows us to make changes. But if we have a look at the line items on this particular sales order, what we see is that because it is booked, CloudSense is not allowing us to make any changes. So here we've got our package with our 3 line items. We've got 2 individual products that have been added, but we cannot go in and change any of these products right now. In order to be able to make any of these changes, we need to retract the sales order. We need to choose a reason from this drop-down list. So let's just say we've had an optimization request from our client. This puts the sales order in the status of retracted, which will enable us to make changes to the line items. CloudSense just needs to reload and refresh the line items. It is possible to restrict the kinds of changes that can now be made through this process. It's all configurable. So now let's just extend the end dates for one of our line items. Let's go and put 31st of December and save our changes. Now we hit the Revert to DFP button, which updates the CloudSense fulfillment record, which we use to communicate into Google Ad Manager, and that will then send our changes over into Google Ad Manager. You can see now that it has gone back to the status of booked, which means that we are not going to be making any more changes. So if we come over into Google Ad Manager, we should see that the line item has been updated so that the end time reflects the changes that we made in CloudSense. And that is how we make an in-flight change in CloudSense. Thank you.